still. Circular. Circular windows, circular balcony. It's just, it's not right. It's awful. None of these other buildings have any balconies to speak of. I'm tired of this. I want answers. I should probably just settle for not knowing and enjoy my life one time.